Before I get this video started, I just want to tell you guys this trail is called Taggart Lake. I kept calling it Target. Don't ask me why, because I couldn't pronounce it at the time, because it was just an add-on trail when I was at the Grand Tetons, but it's called Taggart Lake. So let's get into the video. Okay, so right now I'm at the Taggart Lake trailhead, and this one's very popular. My car is all the way down there, but it is popular. If you're not, the parking space is very small, but it is a popular hike. It shouldn't be that much from what I was told. Make sure you go to the bathroom. That's what I did. And it should be like around 4 miles. We'll see how far I go in, and because it's a circle, it goes one around and it comes around the other. But they say they have good views, so let's get started. Get this hike on the way. This hike is very popular, extremely popular, but that's okay. I'd rather sometimes, and they said if you keep on going, it kind of sun is always messing up, it kind of like fizzles itself out of people, but we're gonna see how it goes and go from there. But let's go. Now make sure you do have plenty of water out here. Sunblock, I just put sunblock on. I got my hat on, got glasses on. Water, because they said it's going to be more an open sun. So that's something you have to do. Chapstick, water, and I forgot my bear spray. Oh God, I have to go back to the car. God. Yeah, I had to go back to the car and get bear spray. That's the one thing I forgot. Always want to have bear spray on you, just in case one comes out of nowhere and, if you don't crap yourself. You'll be somewhat prepared, but yeah. So the trail just kind of changes. Like once you're in the woods, now you're out in the open. And this is why you also bring bear spray. Because like I said, if it's this big, this open, bear can charge right at you. You're done. You ain't moving, you ain't running nowhere. Maybe behind a bush, but good luck. It's all open. I hope I'm going the right way. It looks beautiful out here, guys. It's a nice day. Make sure you have like a sun hat to help you out. Water. There's a lot of crickets. A lot of crickets out here. One just almost hit me in my neck. But make sure you have like sunblock, chapstick, water. Also hiking shoes. Like down the list stuff that you're gonna need out here. Because I mean, it's an easy hike. It is an easy hike. I can tell right now. Much easier than the Inspiration Point. I'll tell you that right now. Inspiration Point, I was dying. I was like, whoo, I was taking some breaths on that one. But this one's like, it goes up that little elevation and it kind of dies itself out. So, and it's also very packed on this hike. On Taggart hike, it is packed. It's a family hike. So, you know, kids can get on here. They bring your little babies on the back of your shoulders. It's a family hike out here. Enjoy. But make sure you bring bear spray. Huh. You want to go to Bradley Lake? 1.4 miles. And you want to go back to the Target Lake Trail, it's like 1.6 miles. Back to the picnic area. The Target Lake elevation, it says, is 6,900. But guess we're here? Maybe so. Maybe not. Is this it? Sort of, kind of. Not really. No, not really. I don't think so. I think we just keep on going, right? You'll see. No, I think this is it. Confused. Is this it?
Pardon?
Is this it to the trail? Oh, okay. I was about to say, didn't I see you guys pass me?
This is Taggart Lake.
Oh, wow.
There's a bridge right down there. We've been here before.
Oh, okay. It's like pick a spot and then just...
We were just kind of hanging.
Oh, okay. All right, thanks. All right, this is it. All right, let me keep on going. I want to see. There's another part right here. Oh, wow. Look at the water, guys. It's clear. Well, not clear. It's enough. Oh, this is amazing. We want to go back around so we go to Bradley Lake. I want to do Bradley Lake too. So if you keep going this way, you can go all the way around. And that will get you back. Oh, there's the airplane. That will get you back to where you want to go. But I want to go to Bradley Lake, which is straight back that way, and see what that looks like. So let's get to that. I'm unsure how much elevation we're going up. So I just tacked on to this hike to the other hike. So hopefully not too bad. Hopefully we're close. But 1.6 can be something totally different. But it is really hot right now. That sun is really coming down. Ooh. That's why you need plenty of water out here. And a hat. And some luck. But it's beautiful. See all the Target Lake right down there. Now, not a lot of people on this hike. On the other hike, yeah, but this one, This is where you start thinning out the herd. Guesses this is the spot right here. That's what it says on the trail. That this is the spot. Yeah. But it ain't fun going down or up. Okay. Let's see. Hello. I'm assuming this is the spot. The only spot.
There are 2 other spots where people are swimming and...
Oh, wow. I'm thinking this is the only spot. Hey.
I don't know. I didn't go any farther. And I'm not going any farther.
That's
a nice one.
Okay. Ouch. Oh, wow. I do see a woman swimming. Right there, further down. Right there. Oh, there's somebody right there. I guess if you keep going down this way, you're going to run into all that. It's not bad. It's quiet out here. But it'd be cool if a moose just came out of nowhere. Wow. See those clouds? It could. They didn't say it was supposed to be raining out here, but okay. I felt some drizzle, so I'm gonna get on back. Hopefully, I don't get rained in. Let's hope. But this is the Bradley Lake. It's just not that far from the Target Lake Loop area. It's worth it. Come out here. It's quiet, more peaceful, and go from there. And you can go all the way around to that bridge over there, but I'm not doing all that. I'm a little lazy person sometimes, and I'm like, all right, it's cool, I'm out here. But time to go. Now this is supposed to be the spot over here. You can take your picture, come all the way down here. You can take your picture right here, or you can take it over there. I think that may be a little bit better shot, but somebody's over there, and go from there. But yeah, there's a bird over there. I'm gonna try to take a picture of it. Thank you guys for watching. Please keep subscribing to Coast Sky Adventures, and also follow me on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.